Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful, luxurious home here to show you. Okay, I filmed this video kind of like 2 weeks ago, and I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that this home has gone pending. Most of this builder homes that he builds like this in spec homes, they sell extremely fast because, I mean, wait until you see what's inside and the quality, it's amazing. Okay, so the good news is that if you would like a home like this one, the builder can build it for you anywhere in Cape Coral. So feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372 if you would like more information about this builder and about this home. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing home. As you can see, you have a beautiful entrance with 3-car garage. Wait until you see the garage inside. I mean, it's completely finished. Like, this home is just luxurious. Okay, wait until you see what I mean. So now check out this entrance here. Isn't this beautiful? Check this out. Very, stunning when you stand in front of this home. Okay, so now let's go ahead inside and take a look. So you come in. Let me adjust the camera here so it gets brighter. There we go. Okay, and check out this beautiful room here. You got your living room, you got your pool on the back, and you have this amazing kitchen. Check out the detail in this home. It's just stunning. This area right here in the lanai, it's just beautiful. Wait until you see the kitchen and all that, the outdoor kitchen, you're gonna really like it. But first, let me stand back and show you how spacious this big area here is and how high the ceilings are. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the kitchen. You got this beautiful island with this beautiful granite countertop. You got your double oven and your espresso machine for your morning coffee. Check out the lighting under the cabinets. It's lighting everywhere in this kitchen. Is very, very modern. Now check out this island. Check out this sink. And now look at the view that you have from the sink. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this refrigerator. Check this out. Stainless steel inside. Check this out. Isn't that nice or what? Okay, let's take a closer look now at the dining room where you have your own wine cellar. Check out all the bottles of wine you could put here. Check out the nice detail here. And the beautiful window that leads out to the pool area, and this beautiful slider that also leads to the lanai area where you got your outdoor kitchen, but we'll get to that later. Now let's continue taking a closer look at this amazing living room here. Check out your TV, entertainment center area, and this entrance. Let's take a closer look at this entrance here. Check it out. Now over here you got your den with a beautiful double door entrance with really high ceilings. Let me go inside so you can visualize the size. Check it out. Okay, now we're moving over to the laundry room. Over here, this door leads to the garage. We'll get to that later. Let's first take a look at this laundry room. Check out this nice sink with the granite countertop, plenty of cabinets. Then you have your washer and dryer over here. And then at the end, you even have a shower. Check it out. You got a shower in your laundry room. Complete. Okay, the reason for this shower is technically a lot of people are putting dog bath in the laundry room. but it looks like this builder in this home went a little bit out of his way to put a shower. In case you like to work on your cars, or you like to work outside and you sweat a lot and you get dirty a lot outside, you could feel free to come from the garage and go ahead and take a shower inside the laundry room, so you don't have to go through the whole house. Okay, so check out this garage out. 3-car garage, and check out, it's all tiled. Okay, he has the same tile all throughout the house. He has it also in the garage. Check out this nice big tiles. Okay, this is the same tiles that you have all throughout the house. So okay, so let's continue with the tour. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms. Okay, we'll get to the lanai and the outdoor as soon as we finish the master bedroom, but now let's get up to the bedrooms side. Let's go over here to the end so I could show you this amazing bedroom. Okay, this bedroom, I mean, if you have people staying in your home, they would love to stay here. Check out the view they got from their bedroom here. Okay, it's, you know, it has plenty of space, nice size. And then you have your bathroom. It has its own bathroom. And over here you also have a walk-in closet that's to die for. Check out this walk-in closet. Isn't this nice or what? I think if you bring some guests to this home, they won't never leave. They will extend their vacations here. Check out this bathroom. You see the sink is off the ground with lighting everywhere. And also you have the modern futuristic toilet that is completely electronic. You have even a remote control, as you saw. Check out this shower over here. I like those high rate pans. Okay, let's take a closer look at the size of this room. Tell me what you think. Would you like to stay in this room? Okay, so now that we're in the hallway, let me show you the ceiling here. Check out the detail of this home. Now let's take a right here and see bedroom number 2. Okay, this one, it's a average size room. It doesn't have a bathroom or anything. It's just regular room. And you have your walk-in closet. Wait until you see the closet. This builder makes amazing closets here. Check this out. Kind of like the other one, all lit up and beautiful. Now let's continue. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the guest bathroom. Okay, open the door. As you can see, it's beautiful. You know, it's the same as the other bedroom. You got your, let's see, the bathroom that I showed you before. You have your cabinet off the ground with lighting on the bottom. You have a beautiful shower with your high-tech toilet. And all the bathrooms of this home, they're very similar. They're all like, you know, maybe you change the color of the tiles, but it's all beautiful. I mean, just beautifully finished. Check out this wallpaper here. And now this is bedroom number 3. Let me stand over here so you visualize the size. Check out the closet. So, tell me what you guys think about this home. It's an amazing or what? I can tell you that this builder does offer very similar floor plans, and I have done a couple of videos on this builder. I don't know if you've seen them before. The similar floor plans like this, I have probably like 4 or 5 different homes that have done videos on this builder. But for me, this is the most stunning home that until now I have seen from this builder. It's just gorgeous, even though the other ones always are stunning, but this one, he just keeps making them better. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful bedroom here, the master bedroom. Look at the detail on the ceiling. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom closets. Remember I told you at the beginning, check these closets out. This is closet number 1. Let me go inside so you can see all the other door. Check it out. Let's go ahead and take a look at closet number 2. Plenty of space. You even have space on top of the shelves there. If you want to even go up to the ceiling, check it out. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bathroom. Check out this beautiful tub. You have your beautiful vanities with your granite countertop. This amazing tub here. Over here you got your toilet closet with a window. A lot of you guys ask for windows in the toilet. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the shower. Look at all your controls here with all your shower sprays. You got a shelf over here on the side. Check out the rain pans. Probably you're gonna feel like you're taking a shower outside when it rains. Check out this beautiful shower here. Isn't this incredible? Here are your controls. Okay, so now let's continue the tour. Let me close the shower door here. Okay, so now we're gonna go head outside and take a look at the beautiful patio here with the pool, the lanai, the outdoor kitchen. Just this home is just stunning. I mean, this home sold, and didn't sold because it's pending, but he got it under contract in 2 weeks. That was funny because I filmed the home, and all of a sudden, when I'm gonna go put the video up, I see that the home is already pending. That was amazing. Even though the market is kind of slow right now, I couldn't believe when this house sold so fast. I mean, it's in a beautiful neighborhood, and also it's an amazing home. You can't beat this home. I mean, they went all the way out here to check out this beautiful pool area. Also, the pool comes with a spa, your outdoor kitchen. Check out all the space you have here. Check out the detail, the ceiling. As you can see, you had speakers, so it must have some kind of sound system. You got your area here for your TV. Check out the TV area. Over here is you have a hood with your barbecue. Just amazing. You got your refrigerator, your sink. I'm sorry that maybe this is coming out a little bit too dark, but the thing is, it's very sunny outside, and that's what the camera does to me. So now let me stand over here in this corner so you can visualize this whole area of the pool. Look at this. Incredible how this squares are so straight, and the grass around it is all artificial grass, kind of, so it's not real grass, so you don't have to cut the grass or worry about weeds or anything. It's all artificial grass. Check out the finish on this pool. And then over here you got their pool bath. Okay, so you have your sink there, and you got one of those futuristic toilets out here. Now let's go ahead and take another look from this corner. Isn't that amazing? What a beautiful home. She has a big bench across here, so you can sit down and relax on that side. Over here you got your spa. And you can see the stairs to get inside the pool. See the stairs here on the left side here? You have your little beach area here. You can put a chair there and just lay down in the water there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's go outside. As you can see, this beautiful vinyl fence all around the home. The builder tends to put this fence on all their properties. Okay, it gives a lot of privacy. One thing I want to let you guys know, that if you're looking for a home here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida, my wife and I have been selling real estate here for over 20 years. And if you have any questions on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay, so over here, this is the pool equipment. You have your pump, you got your jacuzzi equipment here, and also you have your AC. So everything is right here in this corner here. So as you can see on the side, nice and clear all the way through. So it's beautiful. If you have pets, you have plenty of yard if you want to put them outside. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, please hit the like button. So that really helps my algorithm in YouTube promote my videos. If you would like to see another home similar than this one, please, that is available, please click on this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.